Hey guys, what is going on? My name is Caleb Thornton and welcome back to another video. Today is just gonna be a short one. It's something I'm gonna start doing as I try out different switches in the board. Today, we're gonna be doing a sound test of the Kailh Reds versus them being stocked, lubed, and then also lubed and filmed. The reason why this is gonna happen, I'm just gonna have a little playlist down below. It's gonna be for sound tests. So if you guys are looking into a specific switch, you'll have different sound tests down there. So it gives you an idea of the sound profile of them. Without further ado though, let's just hop right into the sound test and I'll see you guys in the next video.